Hey, do you want to learn to code but don't know how to start? I've got a simple 3-step formula to get you going. Step 1. Pick a specialty. As a programmer, you can do whatever you want. You can send rockets to space, analyze big data, build websites, or even program a fridge. It's a blessing, but it's also a curse. Because if you want to do everything, you will end up doing nothing. So you have to pick your specialty. How do you pick your specialty? You should focus on 3 different things. First are your interests, second are job opportunities, and third is expected growth. Your interests are critical. It's much easier to learn if it's fun for you. You'll avoid burnout, you'll be happy to code. Job opportunities are second thing, because imagine just spending a few months learning to code just to discover that there are no job offers in your area, no at all. So check the market and then start learning. And expected growth is critical because you're going to stay relevant for the years to come. So pick a technology on the rise, not a technology on decline. Step 2. Make a plan. You know what you want to learn, but how to do it? You have to make a plan. Start with Googling. It's easier than you think. If you want to learn to build websites, just Google how to build a website. Read blogs, tutorials, watch some of them. Quickly, you'll discover that almost everyone is advising the same things. A handful of technologies cover 80 to 90% of use cases. In web development, the things to learn are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Knowing what to learn is not enough. You have to make a plan. So divide the things you want to learn into manageable knowledge bites. I've got 2 rules to help you in that process. 1. Start simple, and 2. Take one step at a time. And by starting simple, I mean really simple. In web development, make a page with an image, make a page with a form with one input field and submit button, these kind of things. Don't rush. Don't add CSS, don't add JavaScript, just do HTML only. When you master the HTML, move on to CSS, later move to JavaScript. Your task is to set specific and realistic goals. Ignore everything else. Just do one thing at a time. Based on your previous research, try to estimate how long each step is going to take you. Of course, you'll be wrong because you don't know how fast you'll learn, but it's good to have an overview of the things to come in the next few months. Of course, along the way, you'll adjust your plan. That's totally fine, that's normal. It happens to all of us. But knowing your goal and knowing how to get there will get you confidence boost that you need. Step 3. Build a habit. You know what to learn and how to learn it. Now the challenging part begins. Fortunately, it's also the fun part. Programming is difficult, it's challenging. So to master it, you have to build a learning habit. Try to learn every day or every second day. Many people fail in the trap of learning once a week for many hours straight. But it's not going to work. Think of it like becoming a professional athlete. Athletes don't train once a week. They train every day, every second day. And with software development, it's the same. You can't learn once a week and expect to become a professional software developer. You have to train daily. Faster than you think, it will become a habit, something you do, not a chore. This 3-step formula is everything you need to get going. So pick a specialty, make a plan, and build a learning habit. Now go and build great things. Good luck!